Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a database in MySQL PHP and I'm going to teach you also how to insert, update, and delete the record in your database. First thing to do, open your SAMP control panel, then make sure that the Apache and MySQL is already running. Then next, go to your browser and just type localhost. Then next is click to the PHP Now we are going to create a database. For example, let's create a database for a student or DB students. Then click create. Now we let's create a table for our database DB students. Let's create table student or TBL students. Then next is the fields. For example, let's create 4 fields, then click go. We successfully create a table. Now let's create a 4 fields for our table. The first field is, for example, student ID or stud ID. Then the next field is first name. The third field is the last name. And the last one is, for example, department. The type of the 4 fields is varchar, a variable character, and the length values is, for example, 50. Just click the save button. Now we created 4 fields in our table TBL students. And now we are going to insert a record in our table. Just click the insert, then type, then fill all the fields. The first field is the student ID. Then the next one is the first name. Then the next one is the last name. And then the last is the department. We are going to insert another one record. Again, student ID, the first name, the last name, and the department. Just click the go button. We successfully created we successfully inserted the 2 record in our table. To browse all records in our table, just click the SQL, then type select asterisk from, then the name of the table. Our table is TBL students, then click go. And this is the result we have 2 records. Now we are going to insert another one record. Just click on the SQL, then this is the query for inserting a record. Insert into table, then the values. We copy it here. Again, insert into, then the name of the table. Our table is named TBL students. And then the values of each field. The first field is student ID. The next field is the first name. The third is the last name. And the last is the department. And then just click the go button. If we are going to browse our table, select asterisk from, again, the name of our table. If we are going to browse it, or we are going to view our table, as you can see, the Pedro record is already inserted, successfully inserted. Then now we're going to edit, or we're going to update their department. Just click on the SQL, and then this is the query for updating a record. Just copy it here. Update, then the name of our table again is TBL student. Then set, then the next is the name of the fields that we are going to change. For example, is the department. And then the name of the department that we are going to change. Then click the go button. If we browse our table, as you can see, the department of the 3 records will become BSIT. We successfully updated it. Then the last one is we are going to delete the last record, or the record of Pedro de los Reyes. Just click on the SQL, and then this is the query for deleting a record. Delete from, and then the name of the table again. Where, then the name of the fields. For example, is first name, and then the name of the record that we are going to delete. For example, the record of Pedro. Just click the go button. Then the message dialog box will appear. Just click the OK, and we successfully deleted the record of Pedro. If we browse our table, it's already gone. And that's all the basic of PHP MySQL.
para si Ben.